It's kind of junky in here. It's a little junky. Oh, let me turn the TV down. Yaddy, 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 yaddy. So, today is the 22nd, you guys, and I'm currently in Dallas, Texas. Whew. I feel real rusty and dusty, you know, real crusty, and I need to do better. Like, it's about to be Christmas time. I want to wake up on Christmas Day looking cute, so like looking like that. Like, I don't want, let me tell y'all, ever since the pandemic started, since March of 2020, I have not gotten my nails done. I was wearing press-ons, and those weren't really my cup of tea. I mean, people would make press-ons look so good, like the stores were doing so good with making them more versatile, and they were really cute, but it's just annoying, like putting a press-on on and then 2 seconds later, or when you're at dinner with babe and all of a sudden you see your press-on on a table or on the floor. Like, it's not cute, but it's like that's all we had to work with in the beginning. And it was the safest way to go because no one wants to get sick or possibly risk catching COVID because they want to get their nails done. But I've been very cautious, very careful. I've learned how to maneuver out here while traveling for work and for pleasure while this is all going on. So I feel safe enough now to actually go get my nails done. So the plan is to get my nails done, get some lashes. I haven't had lashes done in so long. And I'm probably just going to do my hair myself because it has been so difficult trying to find, I don't know what it is, but trying to find Black-owned businesses is not easy when you're not from an area and you don't have anybody to be like, oh, where do you go? Oh, I like your nails. Because I haven't really seen a lot of Black people here in Dallas, to be honest. I'm downtown right now. Let me show you my view real quick. This is the view. I'm in downtown Dallas. What's up, Selena? This is my view. It's real cute. I'm staying at the Homewood Suites. By the time you guys see this video, I will no longer be at this hotel. But it's really nice. They have decent breakfast, they have valet, they have everything you'd want in a hotel and more. Like, it's just very good service. The only thing is it gets pretty crazy on the weekend because people woke me up. Some people in their room, they was having a good time. They woke me up around 2 o'clock in the morning. Anyways, someone said they got, ooh, girl, I thought I saw somebody behind me. It was just my hair. That'd be crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. This is how my nails look. This is the before. They have been bare for so long. And I told myself, like, I made a pact to myself that I wasn't gonna get my nails done because I'm saving money. When the pandemic first started, y'all, I cut off all of my, like, luxury services I was giving myself. Like, I was getting monthly massages at Hand and Stone. I was getting monthly waxes at, European Wax Center. I was getting monthly lashes and fillings at Amazing Lash Studio. Like, I just was feeling myself. 2019, I was like, this is the year of upgrading, Simone. You gotta treat yourself, you know. You work hard, girl. So let's feel the money. Let's feel the money. But yeah, I stopped all that. As soon as my job said, oh, y'all getting laid off,
get the stepping.
I said, oh, okay. Beep, 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 beep. Hello, I'm trying to cancel my subscription. I called everybody up, emailed everybody who wasn't answering the phone, and if that didn't work, I called my bank and told them, you know what, don't let them charge my card anymore because I'm no longer wanting their services. So yeah, a lot has happened because of the pandemic, good and bad, but here I am. I'm blessed, I'm happy. And for anyone who is still, you know, having a hard time, keep hope alive. Don't give up because, you know, there is light in the tunnel. Always. Remember that. I just finished getting dressed. I took a shower, put some clothes on. She's about 18 to 20 minutes away from where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna head there and I'll see you guys once I get there. Hey you guys, so I just left from getting my nails done and I am very pleased with them. They're a little bit longer than what I was thinking I was gonna get, But I'm not mad at it because they actually look good with the ombre at this length. It's currently 7:09. I got here like 5:30, so I guess it's not too bad. She took her time, you know. I'm in her house. I was in her room, we was chilling, watching YouTube. I was watching YouTube. I could tell she's very young, but she's doing a really good job. I'll let you guys be the judge of it. What y'all think? I think it's really cute. I'll show you once I get in better lighting. But this is how my left hand looks. I would say they are kind of thick for my liking. I had to deposit $15 to secure my time with her, and then it was just additional $30 after she finished. But I just ended up giving her $55 as a tip because I feel like, she did a really good job, and she black. So why not? Why not? And plus, I'd pay a lot more for this at a nail salon, like an actual nail salon. So yeah, I'm pleased. I'm happy. I feel like a girl again. Like I was walking around here looking like a little boy fingers. But yeah, the only thing is I feel like they are a little bit on the thicker side. I think they're a bit thick, but other than that, the length is good. The ombre is perfect. Can you see it? It's perfect. She did a good job. It's not thick at the tip, but the actual base part to me is a little bit on the thicker side. But I've had thick base like this before from the nail salon, so she did a really good job in my opinion. What do y'all think? So I'm gonna go ahead and head. I want to get my toes done. It's not a necessity right now, but I want to get my toes done. I probably won't because everything closes around 7:30, 8 o'clock. And it's already 7:12. I need to get back to the hotel to pack up because I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I need to pack up and clean the room because it's a hot mess. So let's see, how far am I from the hotel? I am 20 minutes from the hotel, 18 to 20 minutes. I'll get there by 7:30. I want to get my toes done. Should I get my toes done? Only thing is I'm wearing very tight jeans, so if I do go get my toes done, they won't be able to really. I want a foot massage. I really want a foot massage. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to change to leggings if that's the case, because I can't pull these up. They're not that stretchy. Let me see. Yeah, I definitely put the wrong pants on that to get my toes done. Let's see. If I can go in the morning if they open early, but how early do salons even open? The one I want to go to is called, they open at 9:30 a.m. in the morning, close at 7:30 p.m. So they're not going to be open by the time I get back. Damn. Plus, yeah, it's going to have to be a no-go. I won't be able to do this tonight. And that'll be fine. I'm going to go get some food because I'm hungry. Okay, I'm going to go to Tacos Emas because they are open from now until late. I'm going to go there now. Okay, it's a 20-minute drive. I'll see you guys when I get to Taco Emas. Bye. So I just got back from the taco place, and this is what I got. I got the trio, so this is guacamole, queso, and some salsa with the chips. The chips taste pretty fresh. And I got 3 different types of tacos, but 2 of each type. This is the grilled shrimp with cilantro and some other stuff on it. And then I got, it's supposed to be mahi and then pescado or something like that. I don't know. I feel like they gave me 4 of the grilled shrimp and not actually what I asked for, because one of them's supposed to have avocado on it. So that's that. But yeah, this is what they gave me. I don't see any avocado, but oh well. They gave me some sauce to go with it, so hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna close out the vlog here, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. It wouldn't make sense for me to take them out right now. I mean, they're not ugly, but I'm just not used to having, like, yeah, I'm not used to having this long, and they're very curled. Like, she put in some really curled ones. Like, I thought they were gonna be more outwards, but I mean, she did a good job. It's funny because I used to go to Amazing Lash Studio, and she actually used to work there.
The girl?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, you should have been comfortable enough. I said, look, this is a little too curly.
Mama, I can't see. I can't see when she's doing it. My eyes are closed.
Well, they don't. Shit, I don't know.
The thing is I think I always get them a certain length, but I didn't know what length to ask for because it had been so long since I went and got my lashes done. So I told her, I said I want to be like medium length, but I think medium length is long. I should have just said short, but I didn't want to be too short. Well, it's
Yeah, because first you would have your own lashes. Really, right?
exactly, yeah. You wouldn't be able to see it if I got it that short.
I don't know.
Me neither, but I'm gonna send a picture to you so you can see. You funny.
Oh, you don't worry about it. But the thing is, I don't know if she got anything in her house.
Okay, guys, you probably can't see that well right now, but this is how the lashes came out. I think she gave me a 14-16 length, and I told her I wanted volume and I wanted wispy. I don't know if these are the wispies I was thinking about when I told her that, but this is how it looks. I do feel like one is a lot thicker than the other. I feel like this one is definitely, but I'm gonna show you guys better in the mirror once I get to Louisiana. I'm about to head there now. Hey you guys, so the nails are done, the lashes are done. They might be a little bit clumpy right now because I don't have a lash product coming out. This is how it looks in a different lighting. Hopefully you can see. They're D curl and CC curl, she said, and then the length like 14. They're a bit too curly for my liking, so I know next time to not ask for a D or C curl. I would rather have like a B curl because it's a bit too curly for me, but they're still cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just retwist my hair and I'll come back on the camera to show y'all. I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm gonna record a video today, and then that'll be the end of this. I don't know what you would call it. I mean, I went and got my nails done, my lashes done, and I'm doing my hair because I couldn't get anybody to do it in Texas. I'm in Louisiana right now. I couldn't get anybody to do it in Texas because the people that I was able to reach, was able to contact me before I left, only did faux locks. They didn't do actual retwisting and lock maintenance. So yeah, this is how it's looking right now. And I'm gonna charge my battery and show you guys how it looks when I'm done. Hey you guys, so this is the final result of me getting my nails done, my lashes done. They're still intact. And me doing my hair, I ended up just twisting it like the rope twist style. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.